Hello and welcome to my video on how to draw an ear. Today I'll show you how to draw an ear from 3 different angles. I'll be drawing all of these ears from direct observation by looking in the mirror or from a photograph of my own ear. Let's start by drawing an ear that you could see if you were looking directly at a person. We'll start with 2 oval shapes and a small centre circle. Now you can begin to draw a more definite shape of the ear, including the earlobe, and look closely at those shapes and overlapping lines. Once you've drawn all the lines and shapes that you can see, I tend to add the darkest areas of tone first. The second ear that I'll draw today is as if you are looking at the head from the side. So it starts with 2 oval shapes on an angle. Like before, add all of the details that you can see using line only. Once again, you can start to build up the areas of tone from dark to light. My final ear today, I'll draw the back of the ear as if you were looking at someone from behind. So start with 2 guidelines, top and base, and 2 long overlapping ovals. Just like the other 2 ear drawings, I'll plan my structure using line and then add areas of even tone. Thank you for watching, subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips and tutorials, and see you next time.